Imagine a community platform that's not just another social network where you scroll endlessly and get zero benefits from it. I'm talking about Skool. And Skool is a place where you can gather with like-minded individuals around certain topics that are hyper niche. And the best part about Skool is it's about personal growth and getting to goals that you want in your life. In this video, I'm going to show you how I built a Skool community with 500 members in it in just a few months, and why it's changing the online education space for growing individuals. So if you don't know what Skool is a community platform where you have a community wall here where you can post things and people can comment on them. And this is a great place just to touch base with your community. You can have polls right here and you can view results. And the cool thing about Skool is if we go here, we can go discover communities. And there are a ton of different niches you can go into. So there's business, health and fitness, personal development, arts and crafts, music. So for example, if we click business, there's going to be a lot of good Skool communities in here focused around specific niche topics. For example, if you want to learn how to build Skool, there's a Skool masterclass. If you want to learn how to build affiliate income, here's a affiliate formula with 1K members. And as you can see here, a lot of these are charging monthly. So the greatest part about this is you can have a paid group where people come and pay monthly to be part of your online calls or get access to your information such as video courses. Now in my community, inside the classroom here, I have specific modules. So you can do my Go High Level setup, you can do selling strategies, you can get free coaching calls with me, you can do my advanced SaaS blueprint, and all of these have video modules inside of them that you can go ahead and click and watch. Now, not only do I give that away for free inside of my Skool community, I have a lot of incentive for people to actually stay and become part of something that's bigger than themselves. Here you have a ton of people that are all on a simple mission to create an agency, and they all come in here and I have tons of resources. We help each other out. It's a great hanging spot for people that are in your specific space, or you want to learn something that you don't know as far as how to do email sequences or how to build websites. And all of these people come here with a common goal and they can help each other. It's a great meeting place for people that are like-minded. Now, some of the best Skool features that I use are going to be your classroom, obviously setting up your video courses and making sure that you have information that helps people get to where they want to go. Now, another cool feature, you can actually have a calendar and you can go ahead and create events. So for example, if we want to do coffee with James, and we want to set our time for Friday, go ahead and change that to Google Meet. We can add a Google Meet location in here with the link. We can add a description. You can upload cover images, and then you can even send emails to the people that have joined your group one day before the event actually occurs. Now, this is a great way to go ahead and meet everyone in your community, answer any questions that they may have, help them get to their goals quicker, and just build a stronger community. Now, a cool feature that I like is the leaderboard. What Skool has done really well, they've gamified how you interact on this platform. For example, I can set certain video modules in the classroom to be unlocked when somebody reaches a second level, third level, fourth level. So as you can see here, it shows the percentage of members at each level. And in order to actually get these points and get on the leaderboard, you actually need to go into the community page here and have certain interactions with people. So it helps build a further, deeper connection with your community. As you can see, you can come in here and like somebody's comment and that gives them a point. Now, another cool feature is there's a landing page for your community. So in here, I have a video where it goes over exactly what we do inside the community and why you should join. Now, if you want, you can read the ad copy here. It's free to join my community, but it is a private group. So when somebody does join my community, I have them answer 3 questions. And you can ask whatever questions you want and you can fill them out inside of your settings, which is a really good way to go ahead and pre-qualify people before they join the group. Because the last thing you want is bots or people that aren't interested and just want to come in and not give any value. Now, if you wanted to, you can charge monthly for these Skool groups. This one that I have set up is free because I want to give a lot of value to everybody coming into this community. And how I get people over here to my 491 members is I go ahead and I link it in my YouTube videos. So I have my YouTube content pointed to Skool so people can come and interact with me and join my free live calls, gain some knowledge on what I'm trying to teach everybody and what's working for me in my agency. It's a great place to hold yourself accountable to as well, because you have a bunch of people that are on the same mission as you. They have the same questions, they're gonna have the same issues that they run into, so it's a nice place to go ahead and get together and solve those. Now, Skool is different from other platforms because you're not gonna sit here mindlessly scrolling, and if I wanted to go ahead and join another group, which I have multiple groups here that I'm a part of, you can go ahead and jump in here and go ahead and communicate with all these other groups. So if you're trying to build skills in multiple disciplines, this is a great place. For example, if you're not that good at cold calling, but you know how to build websites, you need that other skill to go ahead and make them complementary and get sales. So you can go ahead and join a specifically designed Skool group that focuses around selling strategies and cold calling. And that's how this all works. You want to pick your different disciplines that will help you get further in your business or whatever you're trying to improve on in life, and use these as educational platforms where people are doing exactly what you want to do and join a community of like-minded people. For example, when I create a new YouTube video, I'll go ahead and post it into my Skool community so they can get the value if they're not on YouTube or they just didn't see it. And then people can go ahead and comment, "Thank you so much, excellent breakdown, thank you." So this is exactly why you want a Skool community, because you want to be able to go ahead and capitalize on all of the information that you're giving out and help as many people as possible. For this post, I made 3 books I finished last month that have helped my business, and I go over 3 books that I've read, and then I inquired other people to go ahead and comment what books they've read that have helped them in their business. And you have a ton of people commenting here exactly which books they're reading, and it's a great place to go ahead and learn new books that have helped other people and why they've helped them. And I think this is a great aspect of Skool that keeps bringing me back day to day. So if you want to join my Skool community, go ahead. I'll leave the link in the description down below, and you can check out what Skool is all about. Now, if you have any questions on how I grew my Skool to 500 users, you can go ahead and check my other video that's coming soon. I'll catch you in the next one.